Hi, so in this video we're going to be looking at factorising quadratics into two brackets, but in this case we're going to be looking when the x squared, the coefficient of the x squared term isn't 1. So what approach did we have last time? Well, last time when this was just 1, we looked at the last term, the -3, and thought what two numbers will multiply together to give me -3? Well, it's 1 and -3 and -1 and 3. But then because of this 2 here, which is the difference, we're actually going to get something which looks like this. We're going to have 2x times x, which is going to give me the 2x squared. Okay, and then we're trying to find out what number goes here and here. So can you see that when we multiply this out, we're going to get the 2x times something. So there's an extra 2. So because of the 2, in the first bracket, one of the pairs must be multiplied by 2. So this time, before we add them together to get our -1, because this is like -1x, we need to multiply one of the pair by 2. So we got 1 and -3, so I need to multiply the 2 times the 1 by 2, and then I need to multiply also the -3 by 2. And then for this one, I need to multiply the -1 times 2, and then I need to multiply the 3 times 2. And then I add them together to see which one's going to give me the -1 that I need. And actually, it's the first one, which is the 2 times 1, it's 2 plus -3 gives me -1. So that tells me that I'm going to have a 1 and a -3 in my brackets. So what I then need to know is which way round they go. Now, I need to be multiplying my 1 by 2. So the 1 needs to go in the bracket without the 2 in it, because I need to multiply my 1 by 2. So it needs to go not in the bracket with the 2. The 1 must go in the other bracket. And the -3 goes in the bracket with the 2x. Okay, so when you multiply this out, hopefully you can see that it's going to give you 2x times x, which gives you 2x squared. Okay, 2x times 1, which will give you 2x, minus 3x, so minus 3x plus 2x gives you -1x, and -3 times 1, which gives you -3. So it gives you all the things that you need. So this is slightly harder. You just have to be careful. Just remember that one of the numbers in your pair to make the final number here must be multiplied by whatever number we have here. Also, always remember that if it's possible to take out a factor, common factor in each of these terms, do that before you try factorising. Okay, I hope that's helpful.